Hi, I'm Rachel from Gentle Frog. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more content. If you're having issues with your bookkeeping, please follow the link at the end of the video to schedule a one-on-one appointment with me. Thank you. The next thing I want to show you is how to change the lines and to move them around. As we were going through this, there's those little pop-ups that kept appearing and talking about Layout Designer. Let's work on that for just a moment. I'm going to click on Layout Designer on the bottom of my screen. So in the upper left-hand corner, you have this kind of greenish, bluish boxes. What they represent is the envelope windows. So if you're mailing these and you have those envelopes with the windows, that just tells you where stuff is. You can line it up with your windows. If you say, I like everything about it, I would just really like it if, for example, this line right here lined up with this line. What you can do is you can click on the box, and then if you have your mouse just right, you can scoot stuff around. So let me just scoot these things. And scoot that thing. Let me zoom in so you can see a little bit better. I'm not going to line it up perfectly. I think you get the idea. I do want to show you something else though. For example, if you said, you know what, I like the way that this is all looking, but I don't want all these boxes. I'm fine that the boxes exist, but I don't want to see them. You can double click on any of the fields and you can say, take the border off of the boxes. So now the border is gone. I'm not going to take it off all of them. I just want to show you a couple of things. Let me change the font for the word quantity. I'm going to double click on quantity. Over here is the font. I'm going to change the font color. We're going to make it red, and I'll click this OK and then this OK. Let me come over here to rate. I'm going to click on border. I'm going to say, you know what, this border color, it should be kind of this purpley color. I'll click on this one. I'll click on this one. And then for amount, I'll click on background and I'll say fill the background, make the background bright green. This and this one. And then once I'm done making the changes that I want, I can click OK at the bottom of my screen. It's going to bring me back to my preview. And then I'm going to click on print preview so that I can really see what it looks like. So remember we took off the border around description, we changed this text color, we changed this border color, and we changed that background color. Clearly, I wouldn't do this for a real customer. I did want to show you these are some of the things that you can do. So I encourage you to play around with it. There's lots of fun ways that you can customize your invoice. When you're satisfied, click on the blue OK. If you end up with various invoice templates, or if you just don't like the name copy of Intuit, whatever, let me show you how to change the name of the template. At the top of your screen, you can click on List, and then come down to Templates. It's going to bring up your list of templates. You can right click and say Edit Template. Over to the right, you can click on Manage Templates. And now you've got the template name, and I can just say customized for YouTube video. So you might give it whatever name makes the most sense to you. I'll click on OK. I'll click on OK. I'll click Escape. And now I'm back to my invoice, and I can see that I have either my professional invoice or my customized for YouTube video. So hopefully this helps you and gives you a little bit of encouragement so you can make the invoice kind of speak to your business and your brand. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments box, send me an email, or schedule an appointment. Thank you so much.